Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuum, Denver's premier vacuum store. And today I just want to mention a few of the brands we carry are doing a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. SEBO, including with their 10-year warranty, is doing 15% off their whole lineup. You have Miele doing 20% off select vacuums, not their whole lineup, but select vacuums. And then we have Oric doing a sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So SEBO now till December 7th is doing that 15% off their whole lineup. Of course, we'll be honoring that in store. Stop by. We're also going to honor that with bags and accessories as well. For Miele, till November 30th, they are doing a Black Friday 20 to 25% off select machines. Those select machines are the C1 series of cleaner, the Triflex cordless machine, the M1 cat and dog, which is only for hard floor. Additionally, in store, we have a few complete Miele C3 machines left in stock. They are discounted even more than Black Friday, so stop by to check those out. Oric is doing between 10 and 30% off select models. We'll know the details of that closer to the week of Black Friday, but we will be honoring whatever Oric has on their website in store, and on Cyber Monday, of course. They typically do the deeper discounts, Oric does traditionally. So yeah, stop by the store or call for details. We want to get you a new vacuum cleaner this holiday season. On your way out, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the latest news from Performance Vacuum. Details about our store are in the description below. We'll see you soon.